want to go on to new business, and I want to turn it over to Sean Hogan, who's been working.
As you know, our last meeting, Griff gave you a pretty, you authorized us that we could file an application with, to Street Act for $750,000 to further develop Shamut into a building, a shovel-ready site. And part of the application of Street Act is we had to get an engineer that would outline the scope of the work and determine, go through and lay it out and get ready to and determine what's there, and do the stormwater drainage report, also do the a full-blown seeker, and lay it out and whatever, so we can let a contract to whomever to perform the actual site work up there and get it shovel ready. Well, after reviewing the proposal we had from two regional MRB group and Fagan, after going through the proposals that were submitted, the Fagan engineers out of Elmira was much more comprehensive in what their scope of the work. They would do existing conditions and mapping. They would do a concept plan. They would do a grading and utility plan. They would do the stormwater pollution prevention plan, the SWIP. They would attend project meetings. They would do the full-blown seeker, and they would also do all the forms and documentation for environmental issues. And also they would coordinate with Foundation Design PC to do all the geotechnical work, which would consist of, and this was the same company that did the geotechnical work for Reedman's proposed project, further up. So they're familiar with the property, and they've already done some extensive testing. So they'll be doing some they will review existing data, perform new borings, subcontract backhoe to excavate test pits, and if the city can provide the backhoe, you can remove $1,250 from this cost. Basic lab testing for samples, sieves, organic content, moisture content test, and they would submit pre-development geotechnical assessment containing site description, full depths, discussion and reuse of on-site material, depth of bedrock and groundwater impacts or the proposed construction, and potential foundation systems that could be used for the structure. So it's very comprehensive, and the price, after some dickering back and forth, is $25,000, not to exceed $25,000, which is very reasonable.